welcome back to Sailing SV Tutto Bene. So in this week's video we are going to Lake Placid. Lake Placid is in the upper portion of New York State in the Adirondacks. It's about six and a half hours from where Tutto Bene is. And very quickly, 6 hours. Here we are. This is Mirror Lake. It's funny. The town's called Lake Placid, but our hotel in like the village is like all on Mirror Lake, and then just across the street is Lake Placid. And Mirror Lake is no gas motors, so it's only paddleboards, kayaks, canoes, things like that. You can have electric motors under 1 horsepower, but there aren't. We didn't see any of them. Those are our stand-up paddleboards, and here's a view. Here's John Brown's house. We went and toured his home while we were there because it's only a couple minutes away. Here we are now going up Whiteface Mountain. This Whiteface Mountain is, I believe, 4,000 something feet above sea level. As you can see, that little blur of blue out in the distance is Lake Placid. I unfortunately had 2 huge blisters on the back of my feet, so I couldn't wear sneakers, so I did it in flip-flops. Whiteface Mountain is part of the Adirondack High Peaks. The summit conditions were 25 to 30 mile-an-hour winds with gusts up to 40, so it was quite breezy up there. Here's like a little river thing we found on the side of the road coming back to our hotel. There's a bunch of these like on the roads like little signs, and this was just like a little creek with like a river. Here we are walking back to our hotel from the village. In Lake Placid there's our hotel, and the lake's right behind me. Lake Placid is the official home of the Ironman since 1996. Here we are back at the creek the next day with our bathing suits. We did a little bit of rock climbing. We did with tons of paddleboarding. Here's the sunset on Mirror Lake. With that said, thank you guys so much for watching. We hope to see you next Saturday at 8:45 in the morning. Back to sailing. No more vacations until boat haul out day. Bye guys.